Okay, welcome to my channel, Adela Mix Vlog. And here beside me is my alagang cute cutie. Ayan. At naglalaro siya ng paborito niya mga guys. Ayan. Ito ang marunong talaga siyang maglaro kasi maliit pa siya. Naglaro na siya ng mobile. Kaya tingnan niyo mga guys. Ang galing-galing. Yan, shoot, shoot, shoot. Okay. Let's go. Go, 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 go. Then, kinukuha niya ang mga carrots. Yan, ang mga carrots mga guys. Yan ang tomato. Nilagay niya i-transfer niya sa ibang sa ibang
Dada,
hi.
these are chocolates.
Sa plane. Yan, ang galing niya mga guys. Tingnan niyo. Wapito kong alaga. Yan. Wow.
Dada, this is wheat.
Yan, magaling to siya maglaro ng
And
PlayStation.
we can make bread with it.
Yeah. Ano pa siya ngayon eh? Oh. Ubos lahat. Oh, wala, naubos na. Yan.
Dada,
Yes.
this is
Just take items.
and these
Wooden
are
necks
tools.
of plants.
And
Wooden
this
necks
is a map.
Yeah.
I'm
Punta
mining a house.
Hmm?
I'm mining a house. 'Cause I need
Yes.
wood.
Oh. Ayan. Ano na lahat ng mga bahay, ano niya.
I'm making wood.
You're making wood.
No
Take
sticks.
items. And crafting the wooden words. Yan.
Sword.
Equipments.
Axe.
Tingnan niyo mga guys.
I need more.
Cute, cute, cute. Yan. Magaling, magaling. Ayan. Thank you. Thank you for watching mga guys.
Why are you bothered?
Oh, you want to continue?
Yeah.
Continue, okay? Continue your video.
Or if you want, you don't. If you don't
After-
want to make a video, it's okay.
5 minutes only. Or 10 minutes.
But I think I will be still playing. Another game. I will still play.
5 minutes or 10 minutes, okay? Mahal? Uy. Okay, hindi pa siya tapos sa build ng what are you doing there?
I'm getting more wheat to make bread. Make me more.
Why you broken the building?
What?
Why you broke the house?
It's not a house. That house?
Yes, is that house? No, is not house.
This?
No.
What you mean house?
I mean the wood.
What? This?
Yes.
That's wheat.
Yeah.
This is wood. I did it bread. See, it opens. It opens and closes.
Yes, guys. See? Very talented kay siya, mga guys. Yan, marunong na talaga pang malaki to siya nga laro, mga guys. Pero marunong na siya. Ayan. Wow. ginagawa niya doon. You craftable and with nature.
I'm making bread. I'm making some meat.
What you will make there?
I'm making bread.
Ah, you making bread.
I
Oh,
need so much bread.
for what? Why you making so much
To eat.
bread? You can eat all?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, too
When
much.
I get hungry. Look
Yes.
how much.
Too much
I
bread.
have a stack and some more bread. I'll tell you how much.
You make a lot of bread and you will eat. You will eat all. Oh my gosh.
I'm not hungry yet.
Just
Dada,
only making you
I
not
will
hungry.
go
Why?
defeat some zombies. So that he just
Wow, very nice.
I almost died. I'm breaking the farm.
Oh my gosh, you're breaking the farm.
I need some food. I need some seeds for my house.
So, you need some seeds like cucumber?
I'm stealing. I'm stealing. Oh, there's a iron golem there. I want to go kill him. Where's the
Yan
gold?
mga guys. O, tingnan niyo. Galing na
I'm
magaling.
taking beds. I'm looting up this house.
Mm.
I need everything here. This is my house. The looting house. Need the torches.
Mm-hmm. Who broken the house?
Me, I'm breaking the house. Now I'm breaking.
Why you make hole?
Because I need some. I'm breaking this village. I need to trap the villagers. What do you think? I need tools. I need wood.
you
There
need.
is trees, but I'm stealing from here. I'm breaking everything. I need things to build the house.
Go
I
eat what
built
you want. Break everything.
because I want to. I'm a thief.
So, done wood inside.
I'm breaking the floor.
So, almost done. Then you become
Dada, I'm trying to get rich. I need emeralds. Emeralds or money. Diamonds or money.
That's why. Look at.
That's why I'm grabbing wood.
Yes. See?
What?
He's guapi too.
Look how much wood I have.
And
I need a stack of wood. Let me break all the stone and stuff. Stone.
Ayan. Uy. Everything break.
Because I need things. I need. Dada, how will I build a city?
Stone pick.
How will I build a city? Tell me how. I need tools.
I think
Wood.
whole city you break.
I'm a builder.
You are an engineer.
I'm a builder.
Yes, you are a builder.
And that's why I'm breaking what I'm supposed to build. I build with grass.
Hmm?
No. Grass is bad.
Hey. Hello guys. Ayan.
Dada, I'm killing
I'm
the
gonna
animals.
see. Please subscribe
Dada,
my
I'm
YouTube
killing
channel.
the animals.
Anila Max Vlog.
Dada, I'm killing the animals.
Yes. And
Dada, I'm
yes.
killing the animals.
Okay, go.
Because I need
I
food.
am 10 minutes now. Already 10 minutes. I will end my video. And please subscribe my YouTube channel. And watch for more. Bye-bye. See you next time, guys.